The red arrow on the magnet pod under the armature points north. The pod, as well as most of the compass magnet motor, was created with my Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer. Inside the pod are two columns of 10 3/4 inch diameter by 1/4 inch N52 Neo magnets. A 3000 RPM N20 DC motor spins the armature by pushing against the pod. Here it reaches 390 RPM, keeping the magnets in phase. After the controller turns the DC motor off, you can see how freely the magnets turn in the bearings/guides by watching how many times they swing back and forth east and west.